Good day and welcome to CBI's Electrical Tips and Product Overview. Today we're going to have a look at one of our most spectacular products, the 4x4 USB integrated Euro and SA16M combination socket. It's got a 2000 milliamp or 2 amp power output. You need no chargers, anything else for your Android phones, iPads, anything from power, even up to bicycle lights, which is chargeable units, the same as you would plug into any standard USB. Very simple to install. Takes all the hassle away from you. Just plug your cables and cords in from there. Comes also in a spectacular silver shimmer, so if you want to put it against marble, metal backgrounds, everything else like that, it gives you an absolute aesthetic look to it from there as well. And the biggest thing, please remember to always use a accredited, registered, qualified electrical contractor at all times for your safety, and enjoy our products. Thank you.